Hello friends. Today I am here to share about World Food Day. World Food Day is celebrated every year on October 16th. It is celebrated in honor of the date of founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations in 1945. This day is celebrated widely by many other organizations concerned with food security, including World Food Programme and the International Fund for Agricultural Development. This day generates awareness globally for those who suffer from hunger and to ensure the need for food security and nutritious diets for all. The main focus of this day is that food is a basic and fundamental human right. Now let's get to know about this World Food Day, the little history behind this World Food Day, and also about the celebration of this World Food Day to create awareness. Now let's get started. Now let's get to know about this World Food Day in short. World Food Day is not only about celebrating the amazing food that we have the privilege of indulging in, but it is about raising awareness for people who do not have such privilege. There are people all over the world who are suffering from hunger. Starvation is a massive problem in a number of countries, and we need to do more to raise awareness and combat this problem. The main principle of World Food Day is about furtherance of food security all over the world, especially in the time of crisis. Its annual celebration serves as a marker of the importance of this organization and helps to raise awareness of the crucial need for successful agricultural policies to be implemented by governments across the world to ensure that there is ample food available for everyone. According to FAO, 670 million adults and 120 million girls and boys of the age group 5 to 15 years are obese, and 40 million children under 5 are overweight. Around 820 million people suffer from hunger. Now let's get to know about the importance of having a healthy diet. Now let's get to know about the importance of healthy diet. A healthy diet meets the nutritional needs of the people by providing sufficient, safe, nutritious and diverse foods to lead a good life and reduce the risk of disease. We can't ignore the fact that nutritious diets at times are costly and is not affordable to many people. Nearly 1 on 3 people is affected by obesity and some other forms of malnutrition. No doubt that there are solutions to reduce all forms of malnutrition, but global commitment and action to be taken are required with full commitment. The combination of good nutrition and healthy weight reduces the risk of chronic diseases. If you eat healthy, nutrients will reach to your body and you will remain healthy, active and strong. Physical activity with healthy diet also plays an important role. Now let's get to know about the little history behind this World Food Day. Now, moving on to the little history behind this World Food Day. The member countries of the Food and Agricultural Organization established World Food Day in November 1979 at the organization's 20th General Conference and called for the observance of World Food Day on 16 October 1981. This decision was ratified by the UN General Assembly on 5 December 1980 and urged governments and international, national and local organizations to contribute to celebrating World Food Day. Since 1981, World Food Day has been held every year. Now, moving on to the celebration of this World Food Day. World Food Day can be celebrated in a variety of ways. Each year, a particular theme is chosen for World Food Day. There are a number of different events that takes place on World Food Day, so it is worth looking into these to see if there is anything going in your nearby local area. This includes everything from concerts and contests to cultural performances, exhibitions, hunger marches and marathons. With so many large profile events taking place, you are bound to find something that appeals to you. Also, one of the best ways to celebrate this World Food Day is by giving food to people who need it the most. If you do a research, you should be able to find the nearest food bank to you. Most banks are going to accept food or money. You could also volunteer your time, food banks are often looking for willing volunteers. No matter how much time you have to spare, we are sure that it will be appreciated. You can donate to any one of the charities on World Food Day. You could also opt to do some fundraising as well. There are many different ways you can go about this, from fundraising events to sponsored activities. If you are able to raise awareness and some money in the process, it's a great thing. So I hope you enjoyed knowing about this World Food Day, the importance of having a healthy diet, the little history about this World Food Day, and also about the celebration of this World Food Day. So thank you all for watching. If you like my video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.
Thank you.